Hello, Hilltop. Thanks for clicking our next tile. What we're going to make now is a mini finger football. And all you're going to need is a piece of paper, a marker, some tape, and scissors. So some of those same things that you had when we made our dice. So what you're going to do first is take your piece of paper. It could be any color. It could have writing on it. And all you're going to do is fold it once long ways. Okay, and then open it back up. Now after you open it up, I want you to take out your marker. And now this is to help you because you're going to be cutting. And I want you to just draw a line right down where that fold happened. Remember to put the cap back on your marker. And this is when you're going to use those scissors. And you're just going to cut right down the middle on that black line. Or whatever color line is that you drew. Okay, now we're only going to use 1/2 of this to make our football. We're just going to set this other half to the side, and I'll show you a use for that once we're done making our football. Then you're going to fold it in half long ways again. Okay. So now the half that you cut is now folded in half long ways again. And what you want to do now is take this bottom corner and you're going to fold it across and upward. But I don't want this bottom lip to go over this side. So I want to line those two up. So see how this line from the bottom is now going to lay on our side to the left here. So I put those two together. And then I press down across that seam. So I'm going to open that for you. So this bottom part, fold it so then it's across on this side. Now I've got this flat surface right across here. I'm going to fold straight upward. And you'll notice it keeps that same almost like a triangle shape. But it just made the paper a little shorter. It pulled some more in there. And now we've got this long diagonal side on the top. Fold that over. And you want to have our bottom piece even with the side. Fold it. And then press down on the new seams. Okay, and you might have to press down up top here too in case the paper tries to start to fold on you. Now which end is on top? The flat one. So we just fold it straight up. And then press down on all those seams. Once paper starts getting folded a few times, it has a tendency to want to lift up. So that's why we keep pressing down on those creases. Now we've got the diagonal side on top. So we fold it. So this side goes even with there. Now it doesn't have to be totally perfect. We want to press down hard on those seams. Flat on top. Fold it upward. And press down. Long diagonal side, fold it over, press down, flat side, so we just fold it straight up. Oh, we're running out of paper there. And now we've got this little part left. Fold that over, and this is where we need our tape. So I've still got this hanging here. I'm going to pinch it closed. I'm going to take my tape. And you can just put one piece of tape for right now. And that should hold your little football together. See how it's like a little triangle? All right, now I only put tape on one side because you get a chance to decorate it now. All right, go Fox on mine. And then maybe I'll write my name on the other side, Mr. Amici. And now I can put more tape on here so I'm sure that my piece of paper will stay folded on there. And I can add some tape wherever I feel like it needs a little bit more, and then that way the paper won't start to tear. Okay, so that's how you make the paper football. And click on the next tile and we'll show you some little fun activities you can do. I haven't showed you how to use this fun piece of equipment yet. So this is our mini football. Great job. Now with this next piece, if you were not able to make the die, what you could decide to do here is write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same amount of numbers that are on dice that we had made, or you could even do the dots, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And what I can do now is I can cut all these out so if I was unable to make my cube, I could still use the dice numbers. Now, you would have them flipped upside down so you wouldn't know. Now, did I write the regular numbers on the other side? Yes. And are these all exactly the same size? No. But I just wanted to give you a quick example of what you could do with that spare paper in case you weren't able to make those cubes, or maybe you wanted to just have another way of playing your football game. We'll see you on the next tile. Go Hawks! Hello, Hilltop. I just want to quickly show you how to make those uprights that you're trying to kick your finger football through. So start out on one side of the paper, draw a line down, and then I draw a line across, and on that opposite side I draw another line down, and we can connect those, and then just one right down the middle so it looks just like that. And then what you're going to do is take your scissors. Now you can make these wider if you'd like, or you can make them more narrow. The wider they are, the easier it'll be to kick your finger football through. The more narrow they are, the more challenging it'll be for you. So you can decide your challenge level. Now I don't have to cut right along these lines either. I can make it a little thicker, so then it's a little bit of a stronger upright to kick through. And if you're playing with a partner, you won't necessarily need this because they can use their fingers to hold up as the target to kick through or flick through. But you can always use this. All right, and now you can tape it to the wall, or you can tape it upright at the end of your table. Like over here by the wall, and you try to, oh, it's hard to see there, and you try to kick your finger football through those uprights. So that's how you make the upright. Have some fun.